What's going on, guys? Sun's out. I got my hair did, shaved the beard. Don't worry, the beard's coming back. Just like the, I think summer's coming. We'll see. As you can see, it's pretty decent looking clouds. So today's video, I want to talk about the Scat Pack again. I released a video not that long ago doing a 60,000 mile review. Went really well. People seem to like it. People seem to like the whole concept of, how are these cars really doing long term versus some major magazine or even other YouTubers who kind of just, flip their cars really quickly. I've kept this for about 3 years now, 60,000+ miles at this point. And in my last video, I've had quite a few different people comment, and I looked at it again, and they're right. There seemed to be a puff of blue smoke, which is pretty concerning. I've been really excited about how this car's been holding up for me. A couple weird things that kind of pissed me off, which you can check out my other videos. But the car's been sitting all night. I want to start it up to see if I see that smoke again. I haven't seen it last time, but it's definitely in the video. Check out the video real quick right now. Tell me what you think. So that's the clip. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. Like I mentioned, it's been sitting all day. Let's get her started up to see if we see any smoke. We'll check the oil out and we'll talk about, what I'm going to do about this. For all you new enthusiasts out there, you always clean your dipstick first. There we go. Let's get ahead and see what this looks like. It's actually perfect. Yeah, oil looks good. It's where it should be, in the middle. You can see where it says safe. Okay. I'll get in the car and talk to you guys about how I think I'm going to handle this, I suppose. Alright guys, so first things first, I believe the car technically would still be under a powertrain warranty. Putting that aside, I do have, which I mentioned in previous videos, Dodge's lifetime max care warranty, which is through Dodge, by the way. It's not like a third party. If you're looking at buying an FCA product, look into their max care. It is through Dodge. It is through Chrysler. If you plan on keeping your car long term, it's something to consider at minimum. Once again, not a paid advertisement. I have no connections at all with Dodge or any of that kind of thing. So, but I did like that particular product, and I actually hate aftermarket warranties for a couple of obvious reasons. Usually they're just, to be quite honest, bullshit warranties, and two, we usually, guys and girls like us, right, we modify our cars. Being this is my actual daily driver, all it has is a Mopar intake, and which is the same one you can find on a Daytona. So the car literally has nothing else done to it, and I plan on keeping that way for a long time. I have my Mustang, which I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing with that, and my toy is the Supra. So obviously, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I have a lot of content coming up on that Supra. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of great content. It's a 94 single turbo. Should put out like 650 wheel on pump gas. So stay tuned for that. I guess I'm going to go get this car dropped off at some point. It's got to go to the detailer right now because they got to reapply this ceramic coating. I did some reviews on that, by the way, if you want to check out what ceramic coating is like, but I had it done professionally, and over the winter, as I was washing the car, I noticed that it clearly didn't have it on there. So it's under warranty. Speaking of warranty, so he's going to reapply it. So I'll have to do that today. Sorry, I have some pain in my ribs. I think I might have fractured a rib because I slipped and fell. I don't know. Apparently I'm 80 now. So you turn 30 and the whole world just goes to shit. So that's it. Either next clip, probably not, but next clip could be me going to Dodge and see what they have to say, make a note of it. Although the past couple of times, definitely no blue smoke. I'm not sure what puffed out. I'll check out the video once I throw it on the computer to see if it's a blue tint at very first startup. But the last couple of times I've been paying attention without recording it, I didn't see anything except for the obvious the video everybody keeps pointing out, which is clearly blue. So it would irritate me. Like I said, the car has a warranty, but I would just be irritated because the car's been doing so good. I'm proud to say the car is like, almost 65,000 miles with no major issues. A lot of like annoying things I think Dodge needs to focus on because it's very stereotypical American, very stereotypical Dodge issues. But I'm a little disappointed the motor needs to be replaced. I actually got the extended warranty because I anticipated transmission having issues, probably around 100,000+, which it still might. Only because a lot of transmissions typically do, especially when you drive a car the way that I drive it, and it's a new transmission. So we'll see. I'm sure this transmission will outlast everything because that's how life works. But I'll see you guys next video or next clip. Take it easy. Enjoy your day.
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?